Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some sardine seasoned rice. Honestly, I love this recipe. Growing up, even now I still love it. So here I have 3 medium-sized tomato that I cut, and I also have 1 onion, some spring onions, just a small amount, some fresh thyme, just a small amount, not a lot, and 3 cloves of garlic that I already cut. Okay? Oops. And if you want, you can also add just a small amount of scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, I don't have no scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm just gonna use what I have. Yes, and I'm gonna also add ½ cup of mixed vegetable, all the colors as you can see. Okay, this is just gonna make your seasoned rice look so colorful and so pretty. Yes. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. But guys, you can always use whatever seasoning you preferred. Okay, my rice, and this is 2 cups of basmati rice. Okay, I not long ago washed it. And this is my sardine, and I'm using 5 cans. Okay, I know it's a lot, but I love sardines, so I want a lot of it in my rice. So guys, it come in brine. Okay, but what you can do, sometimes you can like cut it and remove the bone. There's some bone that's in there, you can remove it. But guys, it can take time, and if you don't want to do it, you just cook it like so. Yeah, I'm just showing you what you guys can do, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. See this bone right there? You can all remove it. Okay, so in my pot right here, I've got at least 4 spoons of olive oil. You can always use some vegetable oil. So now guys, I'm gonna add my tomato, my onions, and my garlic, and my spring onion, just to get the flavor going. Okay, my fresh thyme, I leave back some, but not a lot. You're just gonna allow it to saute for at least a couple of seconds or 1 minute or so. So just after a couple of seconds to 1 minute or so, I'm just gonna add some of my seasoning to my pot. This is where all the flavor is, all the goodness. Then I'm gonna also add my mixed vegetable. So I leave back this amount of my mixed vegetable. Just gonna add some more of my seasoning. You just want to give it a good stir so everything will all combine. I'm telling you, this smells so good. So now I'm gonna add some water, some warm water. So that's 2 cups. I'm gonna add just a bit more. Then I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning. Some salt. At least a teaspoon of salt. And you can always taste to your liking. So now I'm gonna add my rice. You want to stir it. I'm gonna add some more water to it. Not a lot. Make sure your water is above the rice, okay? Just a little above the rice. I'm telling you, my pot looks so good. Normally, I would have cooked it the easier way. I would have just, you know, cook my rice first and then put all the sardine on top. But I want to do a different route this time, you know. And I know it's going to taste absolutely delicious. I'm adding 1 spoon of butter. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to leave it for at least 15 minutes. Okay? Then I'll add my sardine. And my stove is on a medium heat. Don't turn up your stove too high. So just over 15 minutes, that's what my rice look like. And I'm telling you, just look at all the color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my fork and just rake it up, okay? This look amazing. Delicious, delicious. So now I'm gonna add my sardine. Just add all that goodness. I'm just gonna mix it all in. That looks super delicious. This is what you call Caesar rice. Make sure it is all combined. It looks like fried rice. with all the color. It look like some proper Chinese fried rice. But no, this is Jamaican seasoned rice with sardine. Caribbean style. So after I stir it, I'm gonna add my remaining mixed vegetable. And I'm also gonna add my remaining onions, spring onions, and tomato. And I'm just gonna sprinkle just a pinch of black pepper on top. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. And I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 20 minutes and it is ready. Yes. Oops. So my sardine seasoned rice is all finished and this is what it look like. And guys, as I said, it look absolutely delicious and it smells so good. This recipe is so simple but yet delicious. Delicious. If you try this recipe, guys, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, the rice is nicely cooked. I just turned off my stove, so now I'm just gonna plate it up. And guys, please share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I would really appreciate it. Please guys, support my YouTube channel. As I said, I work so hard just to get these videos out. And thumbs up this video. Hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. See all that niceness? You want to eat some? Eat some. My God. So as I plate it up, I'm just gonna garnish it with some spring onions Then I'm just gonna add some fresh thyme to the side, and trust me, it look like some Chinese fried rice. See that? Yum, 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 yum. I hope you guys can see it properly, because trust me, it looks so good in a real life. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, love ya.